So, we are getting started with the very first topic where we will understand what is text mining and what is natural language processing. First of all, let's start the discussion with what is text mining. As the definition says, text mining extracts the information from text files, extract information from unstructured data sources like email, social media posts, reviews, etc. So basically, whenever you have text data, so text data is considered as an unstructured data, right? So whenever you have text data, it can be from various sources, like it can be from an email, it can be a social media post, it can be a review. So text mining is a process of extracting information from this textual data. On the other hand, if we talk about natural language processing, then natural language processing is a subfield of artificial intelligence, and it deals with the communication between the human and the machine in natural language. And the other major difference is NLP deals with both text as well as speech. Okay. On the other hand, text mining only deals with text data. NLP deals with both text and speech data. Now, if I have to draw or if I have to explain NLP with a simple diagram, then NLP is all about. So we have human, and then we have machine. Now, this machine not only necessary that it has to be a computer, it can be your smartphone, it can be your fridge, it can be your car, or any kind of non-living machine. Okay, any non-living thing or any machine. Okay, so we have this. We have humans here, and we have the machine on the other side. So when human try to communicate with the machine in natural language, okay, when the human try to communicate with the machine in natural language, now this communication medium can be either a written message, so a text, or it can be a spoken message, so speech, right? This can be either text, a written message, or a spoken message, that is a speech. Okay. And the computer understands, if the computer understands, or if the machine understands what the human has said, then that is known as natural language understanding. Natural language understanding. That is, the machine is able to understand the natural language. Similarly, if this machine replies back, again, the reply can be a written message or a text message, or it can be a speech. And that phenomena is known as natural language generation. Okay, that process is known as natural language generation. So, if the machine understands what the human has said, or what the human has written, that is natural language understanding. And if the machine replies back in the text or in the form of speech, then that is known as natural language generation. So this one single diagram is actually depicting natural language processing. Okay, the single diagram depicts natural language processing. So I hope it is clear that what is NLP, what is natural language processing, and how it is different from text mining. So text mining is all about extracting information from textual data, and on the other hand, NLP is all about communication between human and machine in natural language, which can be in the form of text or in the form of speech. We will see some of the applications of natural language processing in the next video.